What's up everyone, welcome back to the Top 5 Tray. Today, we're taking a look at a PC case that's clearly built for gamers who care about clean aesthetics, strong airflow, and showcase-ready builds. This isn't just a box to hold your components, it's the frame that defines how your entire setup looks and performs. This is the MSI MEG PANO 100R PZ White, and right away, it stands out with its panoramic tempered glass design and clean white finish. It's built for people who want their PC to look as powerful as it performs. Quick reminder before we jump in, the product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If these detailed breakdowns help you build smarter setups, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let's dive into what makes this case such a strong option for modern gaming builds. Let's start with the overall form factor. This is a premium mid-tower case, which gives you a balanced size for performance and practicality. It's large enough to support serious hardware and cooling, but compact enough to fit comfortably on or under a desk without dominating your entire space. For most gaming builds, a mid-tower layout offers the perfect combination of airflow, expansion room, and clean cable management. Motherboard compatibility is focused on Micro-ATX, which makes it ideal for compact yet powerful systems. If you're building a performance-focused gaming rig without going full oversized ATX, this layout gives you flexibility while keeping the footprint manageable. Now, let's talk about the visual highlight, the tempered glass side panel. This isn't just about looks. Tempered glass provides durability while giving you a crystal clear view of your internal components. If you're running RGB RAM, custom cables, or a clean white build theme, this case lets you show it off properly. The panoramic design enhances that display factor. It creates a more open, modern aesthetic that feels premium and intentional rather than closed off and traditional. Cooling is a major focus here. The case includes ARGB 120mm fans, which not only provide airflow, but also add customizable lighting to your build. Good airflow is critical for maintaining stable temperatures during long gaming sessions, and these pre-installed fans help ensure your system stays cool right out of the box. ARGB lighting gives you the ability to match your system's color theme. Whether you prefer a soft white glow, a vibrant rainbow effect, or a single custom color, the lighting adds personality without requiring additional purchases. Beyond standard air cooling, the case also supports liquid cooling up to a 360mm radiator. That's a big advantage for high-performance builds. A 360mm radiator allows you to run powerful CPUs with better thermal management, helping maintain stable clock speeds under heavy loads. For gamers and creators who push their systems hard, strong cooling support makes a real difference in long-term performance. The case uses air cooling as its primary cooling method, but the flexibility for large radiators gives you options. Whether you're building a straightforward airflow-focused system or a more advanced liquid-cooled setup, this chassis can handle it. The white color design gives it a clean, modern aesthetic that works especially well with white GPUs, white motherboards, and RGB components. It creates a bright, premium look that stands out compared to traditional black builds. At 11.75 kilograms, the case feels solid and durable. That weight reflects sturdy construction and quality materials, which adds to stability and long-term durability. When you're installing heavy GPUs or large cooling setups, a strong frame matters. Connectivity is also practical, with a total of 8 USB ports, giving you plenty of options for peripherals, external drives, and accessories. For gamers running keyboards, mice, headsets, controllers, and storage devices, having multiple USB ports adds everyday convenience. What really defines the MSI MEG PANO 100R PZ White is how it balances aesthetics and functionality. The tempered glass panel showcases your build, the ARGB fans enhance airflow and customization, the 360mm radiator support allows serious cooling potential, and the mid-tower layout keeps everything manageable and organized. This isn't just a stylish case, it's built for performance-oriented gaming system. It supports clean cable management, strong airflow, modern cooling solutions, and a display-ready design that makes your setup look premium. If you're building a white-themed gaming PC, or simply want a case that offers airflow, cooling, flexibility, and visual impact in one package, the MSI MEG PANO 100R PZ White is absolutely worth considering. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, are you building an air-cooled system or going full 360mm liquid cooling with this case? I'll catch you in the next one.